The iPhone 14 Pro Max. Touch is not working and you've identified a short on the PP5V1 Touch VDDXT-S2 line with a C5733 capacitor short. Here's how you can fix it without separating the motherboard. Steps to fix iPhone 14 Pro Max Touch not working. C43 capacitor. Short on PP5V1 Touch VDDXT-S2 line. Confirm the short on the PP5V1 Shoe Touch VDDXT-S2 line. Use a multimeter to check for continuity across the C5733 capacitor on the PP5V1 Touch VDDXT-S2 line. Place the probes on the capacitor. If it beeps or shows low resistance, it confirms the short. Reassemble the iPhone and power it on. Test the touch functionality to ensure the problem is resolved. Try all touch functions like swiping, typing, and multi-touch to confirm it's fully operational. 8. Final quality check. Perform a full diagnostic check, testing both the touch and other functions to ensure the repair didn't affect other parts of the motherboard or system. You can also test for heat dissipation to ensure the capacitor replacement is stable. Conclusion. By identifying and removing the shorted C5733 capacitor on the PP5V1 Touch VDDXT-S2 line, you can fix the touch issue without separating the motherboard, saving time and minimizing the risk of further damage.